Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amanda. Welcome to the lovely little fam. Be sure to click the subscribe button down below. We'd absolutely love to have you. Today we are doing a very exciting video. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, it is another Mondays with Mandy, and therefore we have to test out some new products, and I'm so excited to be sharing these products with you guys. During today's video, I am collaborating with Bella Lash, Pro Lash to do at-home lash extensions, and you guys, I mean, look at these. Literally my first try, and my lash extensions look like this. It took minutes. As you guys can tell, this is one of my shortest videos. I never thought that was going to happen. I thought this was going to be one of my longest videos because lash extensions, trying them out, like that sounds time consuming to me. No, minutes, literally in the blink of an eye, I had beautiful lashes. So I am going to be taking you guys through the whole process today. Super short, simple, and easy. You guys can see how easy it is. If you are not good at applying fake lashes, I honestly feel like this is easier. Like, straight up, I feel like this is easier. And they are gonna last up to 10 days, which is amazing. Without further ado, we are going to hop into today's video and apply these stunning lash extensions. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this. I'm so excited. So, first of all, the packaging, if you missed it in my vlog or on my Instagram story, literally unreal. Like, the prettiest packaging ever. So, we have a little instruction manual here. So, I'm gonna go through step by step with you guys, and we're going to apply the lashes. So the first step is cleanse and prep your natural lashes. So I already did this off camera. I just went ahead and cleaned off my lashes. I didn't apply any makeup or face products near my eyes at all today, so we should be good, but I double cleansed just in case. So it says to make sure that your lashes are dry. I did it a little bit ago, so I think we should be good to go. First, we're gonna go ahead and take our adhesive. I'm gonna get all my little tools out, so we are ready for whatever comes our way. I don't think I'm going to need the scissors, but we will see. We'll put those over to the side, but all of their stuff is just stunning. Like, you can't tell me these are not the prettiest tweezers you've ever seen. To start off, I'm gonna have my little tweezers on hand, little adhesive, and then we have our little lash book here, we'll call it. There's a month worth of lash extensions in here. They should last up to 10 days. I love that these are more like short-term lash extensions and that you can do them in the comfort of your own home, because sometimes you just don't want lash extensions. You want to, you know, like put on a big fluffy lash for a special occasion, and when you have lash extensions on, you kind of can't do that. I feel like you have to do a more natural look, but for me right now, I have been doing a more natural everyday look. I've been going a lot more without my lashes, which I'm not fully comfy with yet. So this is gonna be the perfect in-between for me. I'm so excited to just be able to wake up and already like feel good about myself again. That was one of the things that I loved the most about having lash extensions. So very excited for that again. So I got the volume number 2 set. There's 3 volume sets, and so one that's a little bit less than this, one that's a little bit more than this. I picked in the middle. When I had lash extensions, I felt like I couldn't really achieve exactly what I wanted where I was going, because my lash lady knew that I loved really fluffy, like big fake lashes, but when I do want a lash extension, I want it for more like everyday, like no makeup days. And for me, I just like didn't love the super thick look on me. So I felt like these middle ones were gonna be perfect. And obviously I can like put them on how I like them, and I'm just so thrilled. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this. Before we do, we're gonna do a quick little close up so we can show you guys the before and after. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. I'm so excited. We have everything we need right here. The lashes are definitely dry. So step 2 is apply reinforced adhesive. Apply the Pro Lash reinforced adhesive to the base of your lashes. Coat the base of your natural lashes evenly and thoroughly without layering. Tips and tricks: do not use too much adhesive or the lashes will stick together. For faster application, allow the adhesive to dry to a tack before applying lashes, kind of like you would do with regular lash adhesive, and only the bases need adhesive. Coating the whole lash can make them stick together. Good to know, because I was just planning on putting it over my entire lash, even though it straight up told me the base. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I'm gonna get up close and personal. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the adhesive, and we're gonna get right into it. So I guess you put it all along all of your lash. See, my lashes are so short that I feel like I'm gonna have a hard time not putting it on my whole lash. But I am trying to just put it at the base. It's kind of not working on the inner part because, again, my lashes are pretty short. We're gonna let it get tacky for a moment. I'm not gonna wait too long though, just because I don't know exactly how long it's gonna take. So next, we are going to start applying lashes. For best retention, placement is key. Start with the inner lashes and move towards the outside. Gently remove the lashes by grabbing the full section with the tweezers and pulling them downward off the packaging. Try to place the lashes as close to the lash line without touching your eye or skin. Placement too close can be uncomfortable. Find a balance of look and comfort that best suits you. Tips and tricks: apply lashes from the inner eye and work your way outward. For better results, pull your finger up on your eyebrow to lift your lashes in order to get as close to the lash line as possible. Be sure to not apply it too close to the inner corner of your eye to avoid any discomfort, and be careful not to touch the adhesive with your fingers. Okie dokie, we're gonna go for it. Okay, I'm nervous. Okay, well that went on easy. On to the next. I know that the next step is going to be like kind of clamping them together, so I did just do it a little bit right there just to get the placement. It's hard to do this when I don't have a mirror in front of me. I'm gonna put that down. Hopefully you guys can see me okay. My natural lash is just kind of getting the other two stuck because I did get a little bit higher up, like it told me not to. The last outer part looks like it's going to fit well without me trimming. My eyes are pretty big, so I typically don't have to cut strip lashes. I probably could have cut it a little bit. But overall, man, for a first time application, I mean, that's not bad. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, and it says the pressure is what makes them hold. So using these tweezers is key. It says start lightly, and you can apply more pressure as you go, but start off light. Okay, I'm gonna definitely try much harder to not get the adhesive up on my lash because it definitely does stick them together. I will try and brush those out and I'll show you guys if I can do that. But when I'm done, I mean, look at the transformation. It's like, honey, there's no comparison. Just show a quick view from overhead. On to the next. Okay, again, gonna try super hard to not get this on my upper part of my lash at all. I think pulling up, like it mentions, is on your brow helps a ton. Okay, we'll let it get a little tacky and then we'll get to applying. Okay, we're gonna go for it. I'm gonna try and show you guys as good as I can, but I'm gonna try and do it not holding the mirror this time because I think that's just gonna be much easier for me. This side is already like so much easier after having just a trial run on the other eye. I mean, we're flying through this. We're already on the last one. And like I said, or I should say, even though I said I could probably trim the last one, I'm obviously just not going to do it this set because I want my eyes to be, you know, symmetrical. We're gonna go through and clamp them down. Guys, it's literally so easy. And now I have lashes for 10 days and I don't have to do anything. So if I look up, you might be able to tell this one wasn't applied as evenly because I was kind of trying to juggle the tweezers, the mirror, you know, all that. It's definitely easier when you can just like put the mirror down and see better and just use your hand to kind of like lift the eyelid. But I mean, like, look at the difference even from my first application to the second. My first time trying. Like, hello? Okay. I look from overhead. A side view. I mean, come on. How can you beat this? I mean, before I looked like a little 12-year-old boy with my hair slicked back to this. I'm ready to go. I feel ready, you know? My skin's not perfect, but like, I feel so much more confident than I just did 20 minutes ago, not even 15 minutes ago. Are you kidding me? I just applied lash extensions in minutes and they're gonna last me for 10 days. Are we kidding? What is this sorcery? And then, not that we're gonna do this right now, but it does say how to remove. They give you a little breakdown remover and it looks like you just put it on the base of the lashes and they should come right off. So amazing. And I don't know if you've ever had professional lash extensions, but trying to rip them off yourself is never fun. And it's not fun going in either to get them removed. So you have everything you could ever need right here. Are we kidding? And just like that, lashes in the blink of an eye, literally unreal. I'm so obsessed. I mean, you guys saw, the proof is in the pudding. This was so simple, so easy, and if I do say so myself, they look fabulous. They're so good. Like, for being so easy, I can't. So, if you guys have always wanted lash extensions professionally, but maybe you can't afford them, maybe you have an allergy with the chemicals, applicants, anything that professionals would use, these are safe for you. They're so much more affordable. You can do them in the comfort of your home, and they're free of any harsh dyes, chemicals, and allergens that you would find in a professional salon. So, I mean, you can't outdo that. You just can't. If you guys want to check out ProLash, you can use my code IamAmandaLouise ProLash10 for 10% off your order. If you try out ProLash, tag me in your pics or send them to me, DM me, whatever. I cannot wait to see you guys rocking these lash extensions. Thank you so much to ProLash for heightening my confidence in just a couple minutes. I am like so thrilled and so excited to continue applying these and wearing them literally 24/7. You won't see me now without lash extensions. No, absolutely not. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. Comment down below and let me know what other kinds of videos you'd like to see. If you want to see me test out any other types of products, definitely let me know. I would be happy to do so. And I love you guys endlessly. Thank you so much again for watching, and thank you again to ProLash for sponsoring today's video. I love you all endlessly, and until the next video, stay blessed and don't forget to live lovely. Bye.